I'm Ella Taylor and I'm doing Nghymru's Crew Apprenticeship.
Hi, I'm Jason Barnes and I'm doing Nghymru's Crew Apprenticeship.
Hi, I'm Elena Hill and I'm doing the Nghymru Crew Apprenticeship.
I chose the apprenticeship because I did a trainee role in construction, TV and film, and I wanted to find new contacts so I didn't have to just rely on the sort of construction manager that I met. So yeah, it's just to meet new people.
So I also wanted to get to meet more contacts within the TV drama field and sort of get some longer contracts, because I had a little bit of training under me in sort of shorter contracts, and I wanted something so I could have more contacts to come away with at the end of the apprenticeship.
Yeah, I guess I have a similar reason. I need more support before I could go at it alone, basically. Because even though I had done some trainee roles, it wasn't really enough to sustain myself with work. Yeah. So a highlight for me was probably on my last placement, which was Generation Z, a Channel 4 programme. So I was with the video department, and it wasn't a specific moment per se, but I was with a great team that every single lunch break we had, we'd always go to the camera truck and we'd just put loads of music on and we'd have like a really good laugh, a really good time, and we'd hype each other up, just to sort of get through the hardest days of set, because there were some hard days, whether it would be like we were in a muddy location with like the rain pouring on us. So yeah, we'd all go to the camera truck and just sort of be there for each other. It was a very changing job, so you could never know what was going to hit you from day to day. There wasn't really any kind of routine to it, which made it really unpredictable and hard to sort of like plan and navigate. So I guess, yeah, it could get quite stressful at times, and you really had to be like on your toes with everything, and you couldn't like sort of drop the ball. But then it also meant that you kind of needed to have a team that really helped pick each other up and were on it and worked together. And I was lucky to have that. I think if I had any other team, it probably wouldn't have turned out how it did. But yeah, we were really on it. We thought alike as well, which I think helped us. Yeah, I was just lucky with my team, I think.
Working on ddal, it was a similar thing to Elena. So I had sort of set duties that you do every day, but it was, the majority of it was very reactionary to what was going on. And I think it was just a nice crew to work with on that, and I think that made all the sort of difference to how everything sort of came together. And I liked it when we had sort of the end of the main block, where we went up to North Wales to do finish off the shoot up in North Wales, and we were all staying in the same sort of hotel, and so we could have a bit of a mix with each other, and I thought that's nice to sort of get to know each other outside of work as well. I was a sound apprentice on that, so very much mixing with all the other departments as well, with the camera lighting departments as well, and script throughout the day to keep everybody happy.
My highlight was working on Out There. I was put in the graphics team in a very small team with just me and the graphic designer. I got to sort of design and mock up some ideas for her. And probably my favourite day was I made a load of posters for a classroom. For one of the sets was being filmed in a geography classroom, and the posters I created I then got to see be put up in the set. So yeah, that was my highlight, being able to see it.
Well, we haven't really been told much what the new year's going to sort of entail for us. I don't really know if there's any placements we'll be on, or anything, to be honest. Yeah, it would. I mean, yeah, it'd be nice to do another placement before I finish up. It'd be nice to do a full length one though, so I don't really want to see myself doing a week, because I feel like I benefit more from doing the entire thing and actually being a part of the crew. I'd like to do camera and or video again. I think that's where I belong. Yeah.
I'd like to see maybe some of the other areas as well of the industry, but still within sort of the sound department, see how they differ. But I'd like a sort of general introduction to those, but also, you know, I would like a deeper kind of dive into the sort of thing I was doing with ddal as well, that sort of drama side, and maybe sort of venture into sort of the film side and things that are quite similar sort of duty-wise as well.
I would like to try the scenic painting side and construction, but be in sort of more of a smaller team rather than just an art department, so I can sort of get a better, more in-depth experience of what the roles are like.
I think it's quite nice when we come in and there's a few of us in and we can sort of catch up and chat about, you know, how our placements have gone and see what everyone's up to. And I think some of the units like actually have a bearing on kind of our professional development, to sort of look back and sort of think about training and maybe preparations for the future.